Gordon Lightfoot's song, The Wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald, was inspired by the mysterious demise of a freighter that sank during a storm in 1975 in Lake Superior. We are the crew of the Edmund Fitzgerald, and instead of the bottom of Lake Superior, we are here at the University of Saskatchewan to create sustainable solutions to real-world problems. There's a long history of using wind to deliver cargo over water, but after the sinking of the original Edmund Fitzgerald, we've had enough of water. Besides, here in Saskatchewan, there hasn't been enough water for cargo transport since the Cretaceous period. What was that like? Our task was to design a prototype of a wind-powered system that could deliver cargo over land. Our goal was to transport 8.1 kilograms across a 5-meter track into target zone 1 as fast as possible. This system was constrained to 1 cubic meter and could only use wind power and gravitational potential energy. Our main objectives were to maximize the weight of the cargo delivered, minimize the time of delivery, lower the embodied emissions of the design, and to do it all in style. After defining our objectives, we moved on to ideation and came up with many alternatives, including a vehicle fashioned after a pizza pocket, a propeller-powered land yacht, a rolling cylinder, and a land ship. To evaluate our ideas, we compiled a weighted decision matrix and found that the land ship would be able to carry the most weight the fastest while maintaining low carbon emissions and looking majestic. In our research, we found that when it comes to downwind sails, the bigger the sail, the better. Then we got to work.
Safety glasses on.
I broke it.
Our design features a strong wooden base, low-friction caster wheels, and a pivoting mast that supports a large sail. We also added a braking system to ensure effective deliveries. And, as you can see, it's pretty easy on the eyes. Once our beauty was built, we conducted extensive testing. We found out that the ship didn't need the brakes to stop. Our base was too heavy, zip ties are less finicky than paracord, and we needed to straighten out the wheels. We also noticed that our wheels were getting stickier with each run, to the point where we couldn't even make it all the way to target zone 1. When competition day finally came, we had a secret weapon, WD-40, and we were hoping it would give us that extra boost.
What?
And it did, just a little too well. Because we landed in the overrun zone, we got a 50% deduction on our score. In the end, we didn't get last, and that's what matters. From this project, we learned that it's important to test things first, that gravity can be pretty useful, and that maybe bigger isn't better. We would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to Professor David Torvey for his guidance throughout this project. In the end, we didn't win the performance competition, or emissions, or even aesthetics, but maybe the real prize was the friends we made along the way.